Hi guys, I'm Odyssey2 from uklocksport.co.uk, and I cannot see over this package. It's a huge package. I'm thinking it's from Kind Sonic on our UK Locksport forum. He put a post on a week or two ago and said he'd seen some vintage padlocks. He knows I collect them, and got them for me and said he'd like to send me a gift. He said there was quite a few, can't remember how many he said, but while at work today my wife had a knock at the door from the postman, and this huge thing came through the post. So it's got to be from Fantastic Sonic. It is really heavy. I've had to, or should I say, try to put it on the scales, my kitchen scales, and they went round the clock. Let's have a go opening this. I'm so looking forward to having a look in here, Pete, my friend. I'll try and open it with this knife. It's about as sharp as a spoon, but it should open it. Where the camera is, you probably can't see half of what's going on. Even I've got to turn around this box. Oh, so if I use any bad language here, guys, just pop that away. I'm gonna have to move this box out of the way, actually. Look at the size of this thing. I'm not sure what I can compare that up to. I know Sonic did put a post of this on the forum and asked if I'd like it, and said he'd got quite a few more vintage locksmith for my collection. He said he'd send them as a gift. This is huge. That's one of my works two-way radios. It's massive. Improved secure tumbler lock. Try put that somewhere there. Another one, SR. These things are huge, Pete. I might have to try find another display cabinet, my friend. Beautiful. Not sure what that is. But that's got a key with it. Put that to one side. And this box still feels really heavy. Right, let me just set these out. Because with this box there, Jesus Sonic mate, there's loads of stuff in here. Throw that to the floor. Ah, they're the union locks. I wasn't sure if you were going to put those on video first, but I'll just pop them to one side for a second. And those, they must have come out of the box. Caesar. Keys scrambled round in the box. That's an ASEC. I'm really coming out of camera shot here, guys, so I really do apologise for this, but I'm so overwhelmed. Ah, this is the combination lock. Right, it's torn in the bottom. I think you said you had the combination for this. I'll have to have a play about with it. That's a beautiful old lock. Can't remember how old you said this one was. Beautiful. Slaymaker with a working key. I do hope you can see this with the light coming on there, guys. Not sure what that is, but another nice vintage lock. A little ace padlock. I've got one of these. Yes, it's like a warded type lock. I've only got one ace lock, and that's going to go fantastic with the other one. Sergeant 6 lever. Not sure what this one is. Don't know if it's one of the sort of Chinese brass locks. But that's a lovely, lovely little lock again. Can't get over this. A leg, I think. The LIEG company. Oh, yes, yes, beautiful. Another Castle lock, safety lockout. Sonic sent me one of these a while back that I picked. Had to pick it counterclockwise. It did not have any working keys with it, and I put it on a safety tag. And I think I'll put this one on as well. It only picks, or I should say it opens one way, I think. Nice one, Sonic, my friend. Beautiful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like that's a 6-pinner. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, I think it is. Beautiful. Not sure what this one is. I do hope that camera does not run out because I'm getting overwhelmed with these locks. Emblem on there. I think what I've got to do is join an antique lock forum because I do actually love my vintage locks. Property of Pony Express. Is Pony Express a Wild West type thing? That opens, and it locks up. Beautiful. 2 working keys. And this little one, that is that's the size of a 5p piece, or I don't know, a US dime. I'm not going to take that out of there because it looks like Pete has put a little picking tool in it to open it. Like I say, my battery's going to run out, I think. Sonic, my friend, you have really excelled yourself with this sort of gift package. Like I say, there's ASEC locks in there, all sorts of bits and pieces. And this big monster. You are an absolute diamond. Thank you so much, my friend. I can't stress that enough. I know this is not a lock picking video. I'm still overwhelmed with what Pete Sonic has actually sent me. So if you are newbies to Lock Sport, guys, why not come visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, guys, and I cannot say happy picking and keep it legal, but please do keep it legal.